Hey guys, yeah, McGann, and I've got the new Ipsy bag. If I can cut through it with my weak scissors. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, got a bonus. So, ooh, glitter, glitter, max, max. So how flipping cute. This is like glitter to the max. Okay, first things first, we have got a little brush in here. Looks like it's by a place I've been holding upside down. And I am probably looking at this wrong, but that looks like it says Ipsy Glam SS57. I do love the handle of this brush. It's all glittery. We've got some gems here, and I love the blue and pink coloring. Super soft. Now we've got super goldy glitter plus bag here. Oh, it's got a nice fringe for the zipper piece and Ipsy down here. Oh, I love the lining in this bag. So cute. Ooh. So we have Re-P, Real Element Practice, Bio-Fresh Mask with Real Calming Herbs. Okay, I don't know much about this, but I am a fan of masks. I don't know, I feel like it smells citrusy, but I could be totally just crazy there. Wouldn't be the first time. Then we have Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Versailles, and it looks like it pretty much matches the bag. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. Who wore it better? Comment for me, like for the bag. And now we have a little teensy Naked Cosmetics. What are you, little guy? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. I'm not sure what that is. Very pigmented. I'm gonna guess it's some kind of eyeshadow. Got a bunch on my desk. No, I'm making it so much worse down there. Alright, I had better get that sealed off properly. What is all this plastic for if it's not to keep all that in? That's crazy. Man, that like surprise glitter bombed me. I wasn't expecting that. And our last item, Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. Okay, this is about the cutest samplet I have ever seen. A little tiny, it looks like one of those old compacts you'd get your powder in, but I can't get it open. Am I doing it on the wrong side? What am I doing? Everything wrong, it feels like. Come on, up you go. You can do it. Whew. Oh, that is also really close in color to the bag. Very soft. Nice pigment. Ooh, can't say I hate it. I actually am quite happy with these samples. They're really cute. Here is our spoiler card for the May 2012 Ipsy Glam bag. What is our theme? Daydream. Ah, gotcha. And I am a member of the Glam Bag Plus too, so I have that video up if you're interested. Alright, there is our highlighter, our blending brush. We've got the fresh mask with Real Calming Herbs, loose pigment in Painted Canyon. Okay, that was the Naked Cosmetics thing. That is the thing that got all over the place. I have never gotten anything that was loose pigment over pressed pigment, so this is a learning experience. And then there is our lipstick in Versailles. And this is our gorgeous May Glam bag. And little disclaimer here, I do have a referral link for Ipsy in the description below. I would love it so much if you use that. I think they give me points so I can get more makeup. You don't have to, but I always appreciate it when someone does if they're able to, because helps me out, makes me know I'm doing the right thing and making these little videos. It's nice to be appreciated. But long story short, I think this is going to be my last Ipsy Glam bag just because I am getting the plus now, so it seems to be a little bit much to get the samples too. I really do like Ipsy, and the Glam bag versus the Glam bag plus are very different items, so it's not like I'm getting repeats. I just feel like I'm getting a little bit too much right now. So I'm going to go with the idea that bigger is better. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that jazz. You've been listening to McGann Ramble On, and I will see you next time, my dear family members.